In our last episode, we met Nikola Motor Company founder Trevor Milton and learned just what inspired him to build an entirely new transportation ecosystem from the ground up. But as we'll see, discovery is just the first phase. The next step in the innovation process is building a working prototype. This is Engineering Big Ideas, presented by Mouser Electronics, Molex, Intel, Analog Devices, and Microchip Technology. Chasing a prototype design isn't always easy. The whole idea is that you're trying to build something completely new. So, how do you do it? You just have to know where to look. We're at the Arduino factory, just outside of Milan, Italy, for Engineering Big Ideas, Episode 2, Designed for Prototyping. Massimo! Hey, how are you?
I'm good, how about you?
Excellent!
Welcome.
Can we see the factory?
Come in.
Let's talk about the prototyping process.
The prototyping process is super important. So the tools has to be simple to understand and they need to get you quickly to the prototyping phase. And so a lot of ideas and a lot of things come out of this process.
As an engineer, I've used so many Arduinos in my lifetime. It's neat to see where they all come from.
Yeah, this is it. This is where it all gets made. It runs through at least 24 different tests. We're trying to build quality products. I think that's very important. The whole process of building the prototype changes your mindset. Just build stuff and see what happens.
No doubt, Arduino is the most popular electronics prototyping tool around. Now let's see how some actual engineering students are using it to bring their ideas to life.
This is the Fab Lab where the students build their prototypes. My job was to teach students about electronics as a tool for prototyping. The starting point was building tools that would make it simpler for people who are very clever but they don't have a background in engineering, and to turn kind of electronics into like a creative tool. So this is a prototype of a tool to teach kids about programming. This became this product here, which was a Kickstarter. So you can see that now we have like 3D printed parts and some small series.
Yeah.
And then now this is a actual company based in London.
Right.
They have a fully, industrial injection molded parts, but you can see it's the same concept iterated multiple times.
And it gets a little bit slicker with each version.
Technology is not as complex as people think. And if you have the right tools, almost anybody can come up with an idea and make it real.
No matter the scale, there's one thing that most working prototypes share in common. They need to be refined before they're ready for the production line. In our next episode, we'll explore what it takes to show the world that a tech idea is a good one. This has been the Design for Prototyping phase of Engineering Big Ideas.